Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and change Halifax password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk, as you can see, which is on the website here. So it looks just the same. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and how you can change the password. So basically, I'm going to be switching it on through a screen. So this is how it looks. Now, first of all, step one is to log in and get access to settings. And here we have, of course, your profile. Then step two is to navigate to the security. So when you click on Halifax, you'll get to settings, and then we'll have the change password, which you need to, of course, go and click when you click on your settings. Now, here, as you can see, you can go and sign in. If you don't know your sign-in details, you'll get a verification code firstly. So basically, you'll get the verification code on your email, which you use to go and log in with to the account. And then you need to go and put in that verification. Then, as you can see, verify via OTP. You'll have the verification via OTP. And then step 5 is to set your new password. For this, I'll need to go and put off my camera so you can see it. So you can then go and set new password. So put in your current password, new password, confirm the new password. Of course, if you didn't know the password, you will only have the new and confirmed password. Click confirm and your password will reset. It is that easy, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.